How to use TikTok after ban 2025. In this video, I'm going to be showing you on how you're going to be using TikTok after the ban in the United States in 2025. So what you're going to be doing is, first of all, basically, you're going to be going over to Safari. Now, once you're in your Safari or your Google Chrome, what you're going to do over here is you're going to come over to a website called pluginchad.com. Now, once you're in pluginchad.com, this is a website that allows you to create free plugins for yourself, and you can create them seamlessly and amazingly as easily as you want. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going over to search, and we're going to be searching for TikTok. Now, once you search up TikTok here, it's going to give you TikTok bypass, USA TikTok bypass. So what you're simply going to do is you're going to go ahead and click on install. Now, once you click on install, it doesn't take you a lot of time and simply downloads the TikTok bypass patch. Okay, so a patch gets downloaded directly to your TikTok, and do make sure that TikTok is downloaded on your phone for this patch to be successfully installed, because without that, it will not work for you. Okay, so once the patch is successfully done, it will give you 1 or 2 steps to configure. Okay. And those 1 or 2 steps will, allow you to, use applications and other whatnots. And do make sure to go ahead and do those app downloads. And once you go ahead with that, what happens from there is your TikTok gets properly patched, and you will not need to go ahead and, do anything like use VPNs or anything. So just download these 2 applications, and after that, the plugin files are directly installed into your phone. So as you can see, I've already done this patch, and I can easily go over to TikTok over here, and I can pretty easily go ahead and log myself in. And, as well as logging myself in, I can also go ahead and, use it as freely as I want. So as you can see, pretty simple, pretty easy, and pretty fun, right? So yeah, that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.